Welcome to Himani Coaching Center. We are committed to simplify concepts and amplify confidence of all the students who are watching our videos. Today, we are going to do questions from algebraic expressions, exponents for A level IGCSE board. These questions are equally applicable for indices and exponents chapter for IB level students as well as class 9th ICSE students. So let us go to the questions. First question is solve the equation which is root 20 plus root 5 over 2x equals 1 over x root 45. Okay, so let us copy this question first. So let me copy it and paste it here and then we solve. So students, root 20 means what? See, we know surds are what? Surds are if we have square root of any prime number. Okay, that's called a surd or irrational number. Now root 20 is not prime, so we can write root 20 as 4 times 5. And we know that square root of 4 is 2, so it can be written as 2 root 5. Likewise, root 45 is 9 times 5, and hence it can be written as, just give me a second, it is 9 times, let me rewrite this again, there was some problem with the pen, so 9 times 5 and which is 3 root 5. So what has happened students, now this equation can be rewritten as 2 root 5 for 20 plus root 5 over 2x which is equal to 1 over, now root 45 is 3 root 5, so I can write it as 3x root 5. Okay, once we do this, now we have got simplified form, and now what we will do, we will take LCM on both sides. So these are unlike fraction, I need to multiply this with 2x, so I have to do the same here. So we are going to get what? We are going to get 4x root 5 plus root 5 over 2x which is equal to 1 over 3x root 5. Okay, now we can take 2x up, cross multiply, and we have 4x root 5 plus root 5 which is equal to 2x divided by 3x root 5. Now you can see x and x will cut each other. Now we are going to do cross multiplication of 3 root 5 with this, and let's do that here. So 3 times 3 root 5. So what am I doing? I am doing 3 root 5 times 4x root 5 plus root 5 which is equal to 2. Now 3 times 4 is a 12 and 5 root 5 times root 5 is 5, so which becomes 60. 12 times 5 is 60, and then we have got x. 3 into root 5 times root 5 is 15. So let's write that, which is equal to 2. Okay. Now we have to find x. So what will happen? We will write 60x equals 2 minus 15. 60x equals minus 13 and x equals minus 13 over 60. And that is our solution for this. Okay. Now let us look at the second question. We are given that y equals 81 upon 16 x to the power minus 12. Express each of the following in the form of a x to the power n, where a and n are constant. We are supposed to find that. So we have to express these two terms. Okay. Again, let us take this question to the, just a second, let me take this, let us copy it and bring it here. And the second question is this one. Let us copy this as well and bring it here. So now see, we are given that y is equal to 81 by 16 x to the power minus 12. So if we have to find y to the power 3 by 4, what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to do 81 by 16 x to the power minus 12 whole to the power 3 over 4. Now, this means what? This means we have got 81 is what? As a prime factors, you can see that 81 is 3 to the power 4 and 16 is 2 to the power 4. So let us write that down. So we have 3 to the power 4 over 2 to the power 4 times x to the power minus 12 and to the power 3 by 4. Now students, we know this formula that if we have a to the power m to the power n, then the powers get multiplied, so it becomes a to the power m times n. Now we will do the same and solve this. So we will have 3 to the power 4 times 3 by 4 upon 2 to the power 4 times 3 by 4 times x to the power minus 12 times 3 by 4. Okay, so we are going to get 3 cube by 2 cube, and here it is going to be x to the power minus 9. So the final answer 3 cube is 27, 2 cube is 8, and x to the power minus 9. So that is our answer for y to the power 3 by 4. Okay, now let us look at the other question, which is y to the power half and whole to the power minus 3. So let me erase this. You can see the recording. You can rewind and see it. Let me erase this and let us go to this particular question. Now, when we are solving y to the power half to the power minus 3. Okay. So, first let us solve the bracket. So, when I do y to the power half, what does that mean? It simply means 81 by 16 x to the power minus 12 whole to the power half, and we have a power of minus 3. Okay, now 81, because we have a power of half, so we have to express 81. If you want to express it as 3 to the power 4, that is also okay, and 2 to the power 4. Let's do the same. So what will we get? We will get 3 to the power 4 to the power half by 2 to the power 4 to the power half x to the power minus 12 times half, and this whole has a power of minus 3. Okay, now this will become 3 square, this will become 2 square, this will become minus 6. So what we are getting? We are getting 9 over 4 x to the power minus 6. Okay, and this has a power of minus 3. Now students, there is a formula that a to the power minus 5m can be written as 1 by a to the power m. So if we want to make the power positive, we can just reciprocate inside. So let us do that and we will get the final answer. Let me uh, make it smaller and keep it here. And let me use another pen and solve this. Now we have 9 by 4 x to the power 6, because I want to make the power positive for x to the power minus 6. Now, in order to make minus 3 positive, I have to reciprocate the fraction inside the bracket, which will become 4x to the power 6 over 9 whole to the power 3. Okay. Now, 4 to the power 3 and x to the power 6 into 3, which is 18 by 9 to the power 3. Now 4 cube is a 64, x to the power 18, and 9 cube is 729. Okay, so this is how we solve this question. So if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, because we are coming out with many questions to help you solve maths in an easy and simple manner. Okay, do share the video with your friends and like the video. Thank you.